Yes, hello everyone, welcome to our next video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the Wi-Fi on this ASUS X551M laptop. So presently the Wi-Fi is on. So here you go, so you will see the list of Wi-Fi signal there. Now let's say for example you want to disable, click on the FN button and then you're gonna click on F2. So as you can see it is now disabled. To enable it, press on FN and press down on F2, right, and you see the signal comes back up. So that's how you enable and disable the Wi-Fi on this ASUS X551M laptop. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.